Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Makita cordless combo kit, 40 volt XGT brushless motor XPT. Guys, we just got this. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can keep buying tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube bursts the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help us out by doing so we can, like I said, so we can buy more stuff like this. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So we do have the Makita 40 volts. This is the new here in the USA combo kits. Makita did not send me this. I bought this with my own money. So we're spending money here for the channel. Alright, so we got the cordless impact driver. Then we got some other languages there. We got the cordless hammer drill. Looks like it comes with and by the way, this thing's heavy. This thing is massively heavy. Got a bag. We got GT200D. I don't know if this is the model number for the kit or not. And then we got GDT01GPH01. We got 40 volt Lion Max times 2.5 amp hour batteries, 3-year warranty. Hold on. So when you guys open the box, that's the way it looks. All right, the first thing out of the box is the bag. Alright, so this is the bag. You got some pockets here, really nice bag, heavy duty. Some more pockets here. Some more pockets on this side. We got zipper here, heavy duty zipper. We got another handle option. You guys can put this another strap. Alright, the next thing we have is we got the instructions. We got cordless hammer drill instruction. We got a fast charger. Alright, the next thing out of the box, we got the charger. It's pretty much like a regular charger, a little bigger, a little heavier. This thing is a little wider here for the 40 volt. You got some lights here, obviously. You got fast, like a gauge, so indicating that's a fast charger. You got DC40RA. This is only a 40 volt charger, just to let you know. This is not a 19 volt charger. Alright, on the bottom you do got the measurements here if you want to put like you want to hang it on your garage. This is a 310 watt charger, guys. This thing is massive, made in China. This is a powerful charger here. Alright, the next one down is the drill, guys. This is a really nice, little dusty though. You got brushless on the back. Model number GPH01. Concrete 13/16 steel 13/16, 36 volts, 40 volt max. So I guess 36 volt nominal and 40 volt. This is 0 to 650, 0 to 2600, and 0 to 9750, and then 0 to 39,000. Japan, made in China. You got another warning sign there. You got XGT on the bottom. You got a nice wide for the battery compartment there. You got rubber stops. We got LED light there, nice trigger. And this is new. We do have an option here so you can choose different torque settings. This is digital, I believe, digital torque setting, so it doesn't have any torque settings here. This is digital, so it'll let you know here on the tool. We'll go over that in a little bit. It is a hammer drill, so you do have drilling, screws. So this is what you would use the digital meter here for the torque, and then you got the hammer option there. All right, the next one down is the handle. So we got a really nice. It's actually pretty nice. My hands are big, so it'll reach around the hands. It is metal. Everything's metal except for the handle for this part. You do have the adjustable here, so you can adjust it and tighten it. Nice. And this is the stop, so if you want to put this on the drill, let's put this in here now. We got a 40 volt battery. This is a 2.5 amp hour battery. It's actually pretty big for a 2.5 amp hour battery. Does have a protective case here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 prongs here, connectors. We do have some more over here. I don't know if these are different. We do have a lot of ventilation here. So I gotta say this about Makita, that they have a lot of good battery technology, a lot more vents here. So that does have to do with the big charger. Maybe, oh yeah, you got some vents here on this charger. So that's definitely a great thing here. You got BL4025, 36 volts and 40 volts, 90 watt hours, rechargeable lithium ion battery, made Makita USA, cell made in Singapore, further processing in China. Oh, and by the way, it does have a fuel gauge here on the back. Both of these have a fuel gauge, so 1 bar. Alright, we got the impact driver. So this is the impact driver. It looks pretty much like a standard impact driver here. You got a button here, and then we got some settings here. We got a lot of settings here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. It says 1, 2, 3 on the bottom for tapping screws, I guess. 1, 2, 3, and then for regular speeds 4. On the top we got several different buttons. 1 button here, 1 button there. So we'll go ahead and try it out. You got XGT on the side. All the black part is rubber. You guys know Makita. Brushless on the back. You got model number GDT01, 36 volts, 40 volts max. You got 0 to 1100, and then you got 0 to 2100, then you got 0 to 3200, and then you got 0 to 3700. And then on hammer you got 0 to 1100, you got 0 to 2600, then you got 0 to 3600, and then the last one is 0 to 4400. And then you do have the glow stick, the glow in the dark one, and then you do have the plastic clear on the top. I believe this should be a quick collar, so I don't know what this button's for. Then you got 2 LEDs on the sides, this on the back, XGT. So we'll go ahead and pop a battery in there, see what this sounds like. Oh, this thing feels really good in the hand, feels balanced. Wow, you're getting a lot of wind here. This has a lot of ventilation. I really like that ventilation. So who needs a fan when you got a Makita 40 volts? This button here, you see here, this button is to change the speeds. 4, 3, 2, and then 1, and then take off. So you guys see there? So that's 1, 4, 3, 2, and then 1. So yeah, really nice tool from Makita. Definitely check it out. We're gonna be doing some more videos versus videos with other tools, including the Flex, the DeWalt, the Milwaukee, and we're gonna be comparing these to see, you know, what the difference is. Now obviously, you know, they're in 2 different voltages, 2 different platforms, 2 different tools, but we're still gonna see, you know, the differences between the tools and stuff like that. So wow, this thing's huge. After you put all this in it, this thing's a beast. So you got the speeds here on the top. You got 1, 2. That's the hammering. Well, we'll go to the drilling. Well, actually, we'll go to the drilling. So you can only change this on self-tapping. So once you put it on the screw mode, you can get you got the light here. Hold it. Okay, now you can move it. So yeah, you've got a lot of settings here. 21 settings. This is electronic. So all you do is just press this button and it'll unlock it. We'll just leave it at 1 for now, and then we'll go ahead and try this. So there we go, guys. Let me know down in the comment section, what tool would you like me to put this against? I'll see if I can put this against some of my other tools that I already have, including the Flex. But let me know down in the comment section, which tool would you like to see this against? Which tool would you like to see this against? And see if any test, if you want me to run any special tests with these. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think about these tools. I know they're a little overpriced, but you know what, they're fairly new, so that's a premium that what I have to pay, or you have to pay, to get these tools first. You do get some belt clips with these, by the way, so I'll go ahead and put these on. But anyways, that's it for today. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool reviews. That's the way YouTubers to platform by subscribers and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.